right, hey, what's up, y'all? So I wanted to jump on here and offer some opportunities for some virtual connection. Right now, we find ourselves in a very bizarre time. I don't think any of us have ever experienced anything like this before in our lives. And we've said it several times before as this whole thing started. I think one of the best things that we can do for ourselves is be as healthy and happy as possible, to stick to our routines and the things that make us healthy and happy, because that's going to help us kind of get through this together. And one of the big changes that we've had is relative isolation. And so what we wanted to do is offer a way for us to connect virtually so that we can still maintain that social connection. All right, so if you haven't heard of Zoom before, Zoom is a platform for video and audio conferencing. It also allows for group chats. It's super easy to use, and it's a great way to connect, because when you join a meeting as a presenter or as an administrative, I have an opportunity to share information like I normally would and communicate information by sharing slides and presentations. But then also, since it's video conferencing, we can all be on there together and talk to each other as if we were face to face, and we can see each other's faces and we can hear each other's voices. You can opt to share your face or not share your face. You can opt to just listen and participate without communicating at all, but it's a really, really cool platform. So we have two different ways that we've set up. What we're trying to do here is innovate. And what we really believe is that if we can do this and offer something useful and bring people together, maybe this will help us all in the future. After we get through this, maybe we'll have this new way to connect that we didn't have before, and maybe we'll continue to use it. All right, so we have two different ways available for you to connect with us. We have the Superhuman Transformation, or SHT, Zoom meetings, which are going to be focused around nutrition and sleep and meditation and mindfulness. And then we also have the CrossFit Combine, which is offering free daily virtual workouts, and then also some other holistic health type information. So let me just talk about each one of these. So for the Superhuman Transformation, you can join any of our meetings by clicking on our URL, and then that will take you right to the meeting, and you don't have to create an account to do that. But we would recommend creating an account, because if you create an account, we can add you to our contacts, and that means that you can be a part of our Zoom group, and we can actually have group chats and things like that outside of the actual meetings. All right, so we have a link for you to either just join our meetings, or you can also sign up with Zoom, and then you'd be able to be a part of our little group organizations, or whatever the heck they call those things, right? So what we're doing with the SHT is, number one, we have Monday through Friday morning meditations at 7:30 a.m. We had our first one this morning. It was awesome. We had like 5 people in there, and we sit down, and it takes 15-20 minutes. I just take us through some guided meditations together. We're all there face to face, virtually, and we can talk about concepts and how to use meditation and mindfulness throughout the rest of our days. It's really cool. So Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. I'm committed to that every day that I'm here. And then Fridays at 10 a.m. we have a live Q&A, and then also water cooler chat. So basically that means starting at 10 o'clock, I'm going to cover some frequently asked questions that have come up through the week. That should take maybe 15 to 30 minutes. And then for the rest of the time, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., I'm just going to keep that meeting open, and you can join, and you can talk, and you can ask questions, and you can chat with other people. And I think it's going to be a really cool way for us to connect. All right. And then typically, depending on the weather, we'll do a sunrise meditation on Sunday mornings, and that will be around sunrise, and right now that's about 6:45. And if we have anything else that's thrown into the mix, that will be available on our calendar at superhumantransformation.com/calendar. We will always update that with the events that are coming up, and we will have our Zoom link in there. Okay, now the CrossFit Combine is also offering some Zoom meetings, and they are offering free classes every day of the week, every day during the week, Monday through Friday. We have a 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m., and a 4:30 p.m. And if that changes, we'll let you know. You can join with their Zoom link, which I'm providing in this email. You can join that at any one of those times, and you'll be put into a live class. And again, you can choose to show your video or not show your video. You can choose to comment or say something, or you don't have to. But one of the coaches here will lead you through a virtual class for about 40 minutes. And these are amazing, fun workouts. I've been doing them every day since we've had them this week. And it's been just a really, really great experience. And you're in there with other people. It really feels like you're in a class. So again, Monday through Friday, 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 noon, and then 4:30 p.m. if something with that changes. And then also with the CrossFit Combine, they're going to be offering other concepts. I'm going to be doing a talk around stress this coming Sunday, and we'll probably have some other stuff thrown in there throughout the week. So I would just pay attention to the emails that we send out. You can also follow the CrossFit Combine on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, where they put out updates about their classes and times and things like that. All right, so this is all from the heart with an intention to help and heal and move us down this path. And I truly believe we just need to innovate in this time of difficulty and bizarreness, and if we can innovate and pull together and have some of this virtual connection, maybe it will serve us at some point in the future. Maybe we'll come out of this and continue to use this tool to stay connected. All right, love you guys so much.